Hello everybody, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to pair up your Bluetooth device in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. So for today's video, I'm going to use my personal phone, which happens to be a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Alright, so what we're going to do is do our drag down menu from the top there. Press and hold our Bluetooth icon. Alright, so now we're going to go to the radio display. Select the phone icon, connect phone, and add phone. So now if we look at our phone again, we should hit scan right here at the top and give it a few moments to find the phone or find the device. So there it is, my Chevrolet, down at the bottom. All right, so now we have a prompt to make sure that these numbers match up, 074398, and we do have the same on the radio. So we'll hit OK on the phone and pair on the radio. All right, so now if we look at our phone again, it asks for access to our contacts, so we'll allow that. Makes it easy to make phone calls that way. So there it is, guys, pairing your Bluetooth device in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. If you have any questions, give us a call here at McKaig Chevrolet, your East Texas dealer for the people. Our phone number is 903-845-2132.